God's grace, we have done today's job. We'll continue from here tomorrow. Yeah. Bá tún gbàgbé túnṣe lè sí bíbá. We have started since yesterday, but because of the size of the perimeter, but let me put it this way, because of the larger size of the perimeter of the fence, although they are not yet through with that side, is when they have to cast that place, we put the angle pole there. And we have done almost every other post, and by God's grace, this is where we are mixing our cement. Okay. So we continue here. We continue from here tomorrow. So this is how far we have gone on this project, and we thank God for this far has taken us. So I'm panting because we have been on this side since around 8 a.m. You can see how far we have gone. So if you have electric fence installation, both the electric fence and the American barbed wire, we are just a call away from you. You can call us on +234 80 380 15 711. Can see how far we have gone. So ẹgbẹ́sẹ̀ fún ẹjọ́ a ó ṣiṣẹ́ yín bó ṣe tọ́ àti bó ṣe yẹ. We put both professional and technical expertise on your job. So thank you for watching.